That's where you slide down, but it's been raining a lot. You will die. Okay, let's go to the bottom.
That's a portal right there. If you go through that little eye of the tiger, yeah, it's a ferry portal. Ferry door.
You're right. Ow, fuck, I got a thing in my shoe. I don't know. Yeah, there's places we can go. We gotta walk down this, though.
Ooh, we can push that mossy log over and see what's happening.
You ready to go down?
Sure.
Okay. Look, I'm going through a ferry door.
Be careful going through those. Oh shit.
Whee! Okay, we gotta make it down there somehow. Another ferry door. I'm scared. Okay, I made it. Okay, we gotta get down there. I know. Okay, we made it. We just gotta get down there. There's a spider on that one.
Get that. That's how you use your wand. Deep in this spider web.
I'm scared to step on here. Shit, here I go. Boom.
Wow, this is some good log. That's a good log. Let's bring them back.
Ooh.
Yeah, we should go. Yeah.
Snowball fight.
Let's bring it back. That's good log. You can eat it too.
Spaghetti. Look, there's a second waterfall. I don't know how to get down there. Put the blanket like right here. Right here. On this rock. Ooh, look at that foam. Yeah, you want to try to make it down there? I don't know if we can.